Always run your presentation in presentation mode before you actually present it in front of an audience. You would be surprised as to what can happen. Sometimes automatic transitions, sound effects, or animations are still retained from an old template. There could be typos that you missed or a slide that you swear that you deleted already. Trust me, you do not want to discover these things while you're standing in front of an audience. That moment of absolute panic that you feel is entirely preventable. So take 2 minutes to click through your entire presentation quickly in presentation mode. It is a small investment of time that can prevent big embarrassment.